Let us write a program for finding the greatest of three numbers. I have three variables a, b and c. Then if cout enter three numbers, then cin a, b and c. Then I'll write down the conditions here. If a is greater than b as well as a is greater than c, then cout a is greater. Else if b is greater than c, then cout b is greater, and else cout c is greater. See here, without any brackets, see here I am not writing the floor brackets for closing the block. Here I am not writing the statement inside a block because it is a single statement inside if or else. So here the first condition is check. If the condition is true, then it will execute this one. If the condition is false, then it will jump onto this else part and checks the second condition. If this is true, then it will print this one. Otherwise, it will jump onto else part and display this one. Let us run and see the program. I'll enter two numbers, 10 and 3, 10 and 3 and 4. See, the greatest number is 10. I'll run the program once again. Enter three numbers. I'll enter numbers 2, 3 and 10. So 10 will be displayed, and that is C. Now one interesting thing we will see here. This program, how it is working, I will show you by debugging this one. So I'll put a breakpoint on this statement and run the program. This is a breakpoint. Just click here, it will add a breakpoint to that statement, and if I run, it will run up to this line. So let us see how it works. If I say run, then it's asking for three numbers. So I'll give the numbers, that is a 3 and 4 and 10. Now it is in this particular line, that is cin. It is reading the input. So once I enter input, then it will enter into this line. Now this has entered into debug mode. This is the first breakpoint inside thread 1. So it has stopped here. Now this is a debug window. You can see here the watch, which is showing the values of the variables. A is 3 and B is 4 and C is 10. If I continue, see, it has skipped the first if statement because the condition was false and has jumped onto this one. It has not entered inside. Even if I take the mouse pointer over these, it is showing the, even if I click these variables, it is showing the value of these variables. Value of A is 3, B is 4. So you can clearly see what is happening in the program with the help of debugger inside the debugging mode. Now I'll press F7 here, go to the next line, C. Now this condition also failed, so it has entered into else part and it is about to display this one. It is on this line, so it has not yet executed the line. If I press F7 once again, now it has finished this line and you can see that the output is 10 here. So that's how we can trace the program or debug the program step by step and see what is happening inside the program. We'll stop the program.